Continuing our apartment tours, we're going to take a look at this 3-bedroom on Patterson. So come on in, and here we are. We're in the living room. Take a look outside here. We're on Patterson Street. Some nice big windows here. Wrigley Field is a block, about 3 blocks over that way, also the CTA red line stop. And we'll take a look at the porch. This apartment has 2 porches. This is actually a front balcony. You can sit out here in that red chair. Again, Wrigley Field and the CTA is over there. 1 block that way is the lakefront and Lakeshore Drive. So let's come on back in. And we'll get a view from here. So this is a long apartment. There's some nice archways there. Here's bedroom 1. This is a large bedroom, hardwood floors throughout. Got 2 closets there. Big bedroom. Take a step back out here. We'll go down and look here at the hall closet. And here's the bathroom. There's some nice bright lights there. Tub, sink, and toilet there. And let's keep going. We're going down the hallway here. Here's bedroom 2. This is a large bedroom also. All 3 of these are big bedrooms. Hardwood floors, nice big closet there in the corner. Stepping out, we're going to see the kitchen. We'll come back here in the kitchen in a minute. So this is bedroom 3. This is really a big bedroom with a big closet in the back. A lot of sunlight looking out in the backyard. And then we'll look at this eat-in kitchen. You put a table there. It's got dishwasher, lots of cabinets, stove, refrigerator. And we'll go out here to the back porch. This back porch was just built and it's very nice. You can sit out there and you can keep your grill down here and sit out in the backyard. This is a community backyard shared by the tenants, and you can grill out here. There's also coin-operated laundry down in the basement, just down there at the bottom of the stairs. So it's great to live in Wrigleyville. Have a nice day.